Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
And can you use yams as a sweet potato substitute in your recipes? The short answer is no, you can't always substitute yams for sweet potatoes. A yam is starchy and dry, but a sweet potato is, as the name suggests, sweet and moister. 13 February 2018.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sweet potatoes tend to have slightly fewer calories per serving than yams. They also contain a bit more vitamin C and more than triple the amount of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A in the body. On the other hand, raw yams are slightly richer in potassium and manganese.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.